Go. You don't got SpongeBob? SpongeBob. Oh. So can I get something like, you don't have like, what is this one?
We don't have those right now.
Oh.
I got water ice, cherry, mango.
Can I get small cherry?
It's only one right in the car.
Yes, small cup. Yeah, cherry and mango on top. Yes. Cherry. Thanks. I'm waiting for it. We got a new ice cream truck in Philly, guys. Truck right there.